Guys, I want to tell you, bologna just don't get the recognition like it should. Today, my friends, I want to level up your bologna game. You're going to be making it ASAP. Hey, bologna club on the Blackstone griddle, let's get going. All right, to get started, we're going to get some bacon down. Use whatever favorite bacon you like. Smithfield brand's great for me. I use several other brands. Get that onto a griddle. I got my griddle on a low heat here, y'all. And cook your bacon to your desired doneness. I like mine with a little bit of chew. If you like yours crispy, go right ahead. You like yours raw, go ahead and be my guest. This is about my liking, and we're just gonna take this, put it onto a plate, get it over to the side. All right, now is the fun part, getting this bologna down onto the griddle. I saved this bacon grease from the bacon, and that's what we're gonna fry our bologna into. Now, this right here still got that red ring on it. You know it's legit whenever you peeling that sucker off, okay? These are thick cut Curtis brand bologna. My old buddy Andy Curtis, this is their recipe, his family recipe. Get that onto a griddle. It's on a low heat, into that bacon grease. Woo, doggies. Now, I have some bread. This is some potato bread. Love potato bread. I'm gonna get that into that bacon grease also. You can use this for floss later if you want. You got something in your teeth, says, wicked, wicked, wicked. All right, dental tip from Hussey to you. My inspiration from this, y'all, comes from my old buddy JJ's Side Street Deli. They make a bologna club that is really fantastic. They're not open yet. It's 9 o'clock a.m. right now. So I thought I'm gonna use this old Curtis bologna with those JJ inspiration. Hey, it's gonna be a perfect match. So y'all stick with me to the end. We're gonna really church this up, all right, y'all? After a minute or two, when our griddle's nice and hot, man, that bologna has a nice exterior to it. Now, I kind of like mine a little bit crispy around the edges. If you want to do the slits, my mama growing up, you know, she'd make the slit so it wouldn't curl up. For me, I kind of like it. Our bread, probably also ready. Oh yeah, nice and toasty. That bacon fat, whoo, makes it nice. All right, we're gonna toast them on this side. We're about to be ready. Our bologna, that's pretty much done. You can eat that bologna right out of the package, but I like a little bit of griddle action, a little griddle love, okay? That's my middle name. Put some cheese on this, just like that. Let that melt. Use whatever cheese you like. I'm using the best American cheese. Bread, nice and toasty. You three, go over here to the cutting board. You three, whoop. This right here is turned backwards. There. Boy, big old club sandwich. I love a club sandwich. And old JJ, boy, they do a club sandwich right, let me tell you. All right, so what are we gonna do? How are we gonna build this club sandwich? I'm gonna lay these suckers just like this. 1, 2, 3, come with me. Now this is a sandwich, y'all. What does a sandwich need? Everybody say it. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. That's right, you got it right. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. If you want a little bit of mustard on your bologna. A lot of people like mustard. Me, I'm not so much a mustard fan on bologna, but feel free to add a little bit of mustard, okay? I got some pretty lettuce. I'm churching this up. I mean, this right here's a nice sandwich. It's gonna be a nice sandwich, okay? A little bit of lettuce. Come over and get you a nice big old thick piece of bologna right there. Come over, get you another big old slice of bologna. What am I saying? I got tomatoes over here. Okay. What else we got over here? Oh, tomato. I didn't slice our tomato. Hold on 1 minute. Let me get this tomato sliced. Just nice and thin. I want to try something too. My old buddy, when I told it, my buddy Andy made me a bologna sandwich, posted it on Instagram the other day. He said, man, you know what I like a little slice of onion on it. And I thought, man, I like onion. Maybe I'll do this little slice of onion on mine. So we're gonna do that too. Little onion, I'll put that over here. A little bit of onion. I don't know how to build this thing, to be honest with you, Jacob. How do you build them? Put tomato, I'm gonna put some tomato on here. Tomato, 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 just like that. What do we always do? Season those tomatoes. Gotta season them tomatoes. A little salt, a little bit of pepper. Gotta do it. State law. And then we'll put a little bit of this onion right there. I'm gonna put this over on that. Put this one over on that. All right. Now, that piece of bread right there, it needs something. Y'all know what it needs. Duke's mayonnaise. There we go. Come back over. Get that other piece of bologna just sitting over there. It's just riding. Come on. There we go. Now, take our bacon. Put you a few pieces of bacon on there. But boys and girls, look at that. Dang, son. Well, that's some good groceries right there. Ow. Not yet, not yet. There's nothing else left to do here, my friends, but stick around though, because them bloopers are coming. So you stick around to this end. Should I go left or should I go right? How do I go? To go center? What do you think, Jacob? Let's go center like this? That's how you do a club? I don't know. I can't remember how JJ does it. Ooh. Woohoo. Oh. Boys and girls. Son. Well, look at that. Bologna. Got that lettuce. Man, I can't wait to give this a try. Cheers, y'all. Huh. Son. Boys and girls, that's a good sandwich. Maggie, you have you one too, girl. There you go. Guys, it's Bologna Club. It's legit. I like that onion. I got something right here. No. Got something. I like that onion. Gives it a nice little crunch, that little oniony flavor. It works. Y'all, give this bologna a try. I don't know if you got this in your area, but if you got something similar, I suggest you try it. I think you can order this online as well. I'll try to have a link below. Appreciate you. Watch those bloopers right now. I think I need to put that in the video. Yeah. I think I might start rolling. Let's do this.
Oh yeah. Okay. You want to go face and focus?
Is it coat? Yeah.
Okay.